Hello and welcome to Thrive Architect. I'm Christine, and in this video we'll walk through some of the main features in Thrive Architect so that you can create marketing funnels such as this one that includes a lead generation page and a confirmation page, and I'll quickly show you how you can use Thrive Architect to create gorgeous blog posts. So here we are in the Thrive Product Manager, and as soon as you install Thrive Architect, you can start using it to build landing pages, sales pages, blog posts, and more. Let's go ahead and create a lead generation page. So we'll start by creating a new page. Let's give it a name. And let's go ahead and launch Thrive Architect. So right off the bat, you've got 4 different options here. If you're using Thrive Theme Builder, selecting the normal page option will set up your new page using the page template that you created in Thrive Theme Builder. So it'll use the header, footer, sidebar, etc. that you previously specified for your page template. Next, you can choose to use a blank page with a header and footer, or if you want just a very simple looking page, or if you have a very specific design in mind and you want to build everything from scratch, then you can choose a completely blank page. And the 4th option is to use a pre-built landing page. For ultimate time saving, you can use our pre-built templates and customize them to your needs. So let's choose pre-built landing page. So here you can see the available landing page sets. Let's take a quick peek at the Hydrogen Smart set, which is our most recently released landing page set. Hydrogen has a very clean, modern design, and you can see there are several templates in this set. Let's go back to the library, and let's choose a set to use for this demonstration. Let's choose Online Course Smart. The idea with landing page sets is that you have everything you need to build your marketing funnels within each set, such as lead generation landing pages, sales pages, confirmation pages, and these templates aren't just for layout. These templates have content already in place for you, so the hard work of thinking about what to say and where to place it on the page is pretty much done. All you have to do is customize it. So when you create your marketing funnels, you can choose pages from the same landing page set. So for example, right now we're going to choose a lead generation page, but after we're done with that, you'll need a confirmation page. So when you create a new page for the confirmation page, you can go back to this same landing page set, Online Course Smart, and then choose the confirmation page template, which is somewhere down here. So sticking to one landing page set makes it super easy to make sure that all of the pages in your funnel have the same style. So for now, let's choose the lead generation page. And now you can customize this page to your heart's content. Everything on this page can be edited simply by clicking on it. So let's go ahead and change this headline. You can also easily change photos. So for example, this cluster of digital devices here is completely editable. This is not a Photoshop image. So it's very easy to swap out images and make the page look exactly how you want it to look. So for example, we can choose this image and swap that out. And you can easily do that for the rest of the devices in this cluster. Now, what about fonts? If you would like to quickly change the font for the entire page, it's very easy to do. Simply go to the Page Settings, then go to the Typography tab and click Edit Landing Page Typography. Then use the green lines to select the grouping of text elements you would like to edit. So for example, I'll choose this line here to select all headings, and then I'll choose a font that matches my brand. And as you can see, we easily updated all of the headings on this page. So that was the quick and easy way to change all of the fonts on the page. You can also change the font for a particular text element simply by clicking on it and then selecting a new font. Now here at Thrive Themes, we know that what's going to make the biggest difference for your business to be successful is conversions. So we did a lot of research and we created all of our landing page templates with conversions in mind. So in these templates, you'll see strong calls to action, you'll see strategically placed testimonials, and you'll see designs that lead the eye toward taking action. Now, this page is what we call a smart landing page. So let me take you through a couple of smart elements on this page. So this page uses smart colors, which means that you can change the colors for the entire page in just a couple of clicks. Simply go to the central style panel, and then you can try out some of the other color combinations that our designers have put together for you. And you'll notice that you didn't have to select individual elements to change their colors one by one. Using these smart colors, everything on the page changed from backgrounds to overlays to text elements. Now, if the provided color combinations aren't quite what you're looking for, you can choose your own accent colors so that the page will perfectly match your brand. And again, it only takes a couple of clicks and the colors for all of the accents on the page will update automatically. Of course, if you would like to get super customized, you can select individual elements and change the color for just that particular element. The next element I'd like to show you are global fields. So if we scroll down to the bottom of this page, you'll see that you have links here to certain pages on your website. These links are automatically linked up with your terms and conditions, privacy policy, disclaimer, and contact page. Now, how did this magically happen? Well, in the back end of your WordPress website, simply go to your Smart Site settings. And here is where you can input your global information. And so if your information changes, you can simply update this page and your information will automatically update everywhere else on your site. Now, all of that is pretty cool, right? But there's even more. Now, let's say you want to add more content to this page. You can simply click on the plus sign that appears between sections to add a block. And as you can see, we have hundreds of blocks you can choose from that are all pre-formatted for all kinds of uses to save you time. So let's add a simple benefits and features block. And what you'll notice is that even though we've changed our page colors and we've changed our page fonts, this new block that we've added is smart enough to match the stylistic changes we've already made. And of course, if you want to reorder the blocks, you can certainly do that. Simply click on the cross-directional arrows and drag the block around. And you can remove blocks that you find unnecessary by clicking on the trash can icon. So using blocks, you can quickly build a completely customized landing page in very little time. Now, there may be some additional customizations you would like to make even after adding blocks. For more fine-tuning, you can use the elements that come with Thrive Architect. Simply click the Add Elements button, and then you can choose from any of these elements. So let's say you want to add a countdown timer to your page to increase conversions. Simply click and drag the countdown timer to anywhere you want to insert it. Then choose a style that you like, and you'll notice that the elements in the timer automatically updated to use the colors from your smart landing page. Now, as far as mobile responsiveness, all of our templates and blocks have already been adjusted for smaller screens, so you don't have to worry about making those tweaks yourself. However, you can make further adjustments if you choose. So simply click on the buttons at the bottom of the screen to look at the different devices. Now, if there are specific sections that you want to hide just on mobile devices, you can simply select that section and then go to the Responsive tab and simply hide that section for a particular device. Next, let's look at how you can use Thrive Architect for your blog posts. So here we've got a blog post in WordPress. Let's go ahead and launch Thrive Architect. Now let's imagine that our blog post is a review of something. So for today, we're doing the latest health fads, but you could do something like software or another kind of product. You can start by adding individual elements, and you can do that by going to the Add Elements button. You can choose things like text, images, buttons, etc. And then you can style everything yourself, or you can use blocks. So blocks are nice to use because they've been pre-designed for you and they'll save you tons of time. So let's go ahead and click and drag a block onto the page. Let's choose a product rating block. And now you can simply customize this block to your liking. So you can easily change the text, you can change these check marks here. Let's go ahead and change the style of these stars. So all I had to do was click on the stars, and then I can choose a new style. And while we're at it, let's add another block. But this time, let's choose a pros and cons list. And again, you can easily change the text, you can change these colors, you can change these icons, and you're on your way. So I hope you can see how quick it is to build beautifully designed blog posts. Now there's one final thing I'd like to show you, and that is how to save custom templates. Because oftentimes you'll want to use the same elements over and over in blog posts, and you want them to look consistent. But it's very time consuming to have to reformat an element every time you want to use it. So let's say that you have formatted this pros and cons list. You might have changed the background color or the spacing so that everything looks perfect, and you know you'll want to use this exact same pros and cons list style in future blog posts. You can simply save this block as a template. Just click the button in the upper right-hand corner, second from the left, and then we'll choose to save as a template, and let's choose a template name. You can choose a category if you like, and then we'll click Save New Template. And now let's go to a new blog post, and let's search for the template element, and let's just drag that to where we want it in the blog post. And now we can select our saved template, and now you can change the text in this list for this blog post. So that was just a quick overview of what you can do with Thrive Architect, and really there's so much more you can do, but I hope you can already see just how fast and easy it is to use Thrive Architect to create high converting landing pages and effective blog posts. If you haven't purchased Thrive Suite yet, go ahead and grab it today.